Hey guys, Rachel with Phillips Chevrolet. I'm standing here with Luke and his father Mike, and they came in to purchase a new 2013 Sonic RS. Why don't you tell them how your experience was?
We had a very good experience. Got a lot for a little less than we thought, so that was good.
Good.
Yeah, it was a great experience. Good service. Worked with us, got the car, so we're happy.
And the gray one?
And we got the gray one, not the red one.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Good, good. Well, thank you so much for everything. It was a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Come see us at Phillips.